Sean Khalifa, man.
I wouldn't.
Money's the motivation, money's the conversation. You on vacation, we getting paid, so we on vacation. I did it for the fam. It's whatever we had to do, it's just who I am. Yeah, it's the life I chose. Gunshots in the dark, one eye closed. We got it cooking like a one-eye stove. You can catch me kissing my girl with both eyes closed. Yeah, perfecting my passion, thanks for asking. Couldn't slow down, so we had to crash it. You use plastic, we bout cash. I see some people ahead that we gon' pass.
Watch your 12 o'clock, watch your 12 o'clock.
I never fear death or dying. I only fear never trying. I am what
Watch out.
I am. Only God can judge me
Out.
now. One shot, everything rides on tonight. Even if I got three strikes, I'ma go
Yep, sniper.
this moment. We own it.
Sniper at the FPU.
Yeah.
Not to be played with because it can
Hey, you
get
guys.
dangerous.
Sniper!
Hey, there's a sniper on the hill over there. Watch out.
This moment, we own it. And the same ones that I ride with be the same ones that I die with. Put it all out on the line with. If you're looking for me, you can find wit in a new car or the crown with. My new boy, that's a fire
Watch out.
truck in the weather squad. I'm down with. Ain't no way.
Spooky.
What you say? Tell me what you say. Working hard, repping for my dogs. Do this every day. Taking off, looking out for all. Making sure we ball like the mob. All you do is call. Catch you if you fall. Yo, Khalifa. I never fear never dying. I only fear never trying. I am whatever I am. Only God can judge me now. One shot, everything rides on tonight. Even if I got three
Out. Spooky.
strikes, I'ma go for it. This moment, we own it. Not to be played with because it
No.
can get dangerous. See, I ride or die, people I ride with. This moment, we got it.
It's the biggest day of my life. We got big guns. Been graduated from knives. It's the day of the life and I'm ready
Hey,
to ride.
what's
Got
that?
the spirit I'm feeling
Watch out,
like
watch out, watch out, watch out.
Financial outbreak. I'm free, but I ain't out yet. Ride with the plug, so I'm close to the outlet. At the red light rim, sitting offset. I look better on your girl than an outfit.
Stuck to
I had
the
my hand
plan.
got him.
Always said that we would stand up, never ran. We the family, loyalty never change up. Been down since day one, look at where we came from. Jumping out on anybody who try to say something.
Still sniper up
Think
there.
about it, got a problem, I got the same one. Money rolls, we fold. Plenty clubs, we close. Follow the same code. Never turn our backs, our cars don't even lose control. Everything rides on tonight. Even if I got three strikes, I'ma go for it. This moment, we own it. I ride or die to be played with because
Oh, come on!
dangerous. See, I ride or die, people I ride with. This moment,
Sniper's up the hill.
He's not calling you last time. Wearing hat. You gotta rush your head.
we own it.
I ride or die for mine. I ride or die material. One life to live, so here we go.
This
When we get
moment,
really safe, we gotta keep it action.
Yep.
Hey, keep it on the crate! Keep it on the crate!
Hey, watch out.
Sit down, here. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Let's get out. Oh, yeah.
Look, if you had one shot,
Stop. I wish I had.
seize everything you ever wanted. One moment,
Oh, come on, you played. It's the same as
just let it slip.
Yo. His palms are sweaty, knees weak,
Right
arms are
here.
heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud. He opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's
Hey,
gotta go capture this moment and hope it don't get better. Lose yourself in the music, the moment you
Hit the bottle.
own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot, do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music, the moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot, do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better souls escaping through this hole that is gaping. This world is mine for the taking. Make me king as we move toward a new world order. A normal life is boring, but superstardom's
He's down.
it only grows harder, only grows hotter. He blows, it's all over. These fools is all on him. Coast to coast shows, he's known as the Globetrotter. Lonely roads got him, he knows he's grown farther from home. He's no father. He goes home and barely knows his own daughter. But hold your nose, 'cause here goes the cold water. These don't want him no more. He's cold product. They moved on to the next move. Who flows? He knows dove and so nada. Souls are so proper. He's told it unfolds. I suppose it's old partner, but the beat goes on. Let 'em do it.
Negative, Mariano. Reloading.
The moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot, do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music, the moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot, do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better no more games, I'ma change what you call rage. Tear this roof off like two dogs' cage. I was playing in the beginning, the mood all changed. I've been chewed up and spit out and booed off stage. But I kept rhyming and stepped right in the next cipher. I believe somebody's paying the Pied Piper. The pain inside amplified by the fact that I can't get by with my 9 to 5 and I can't provide the right type of life for my family. 'Cause man, you stamps don't buy diapers. And there's no movie, there's no Mackay Pfeiffer. This is my life and these times are so hard. And it's getting even harder trying to feed and water my seed. Plus,
Pepper, left side, right side, on the side.
between being a father
You guys want rush?
drama screaming on it too much for me to wanna stay on spot. Another damn monotony's gotten me to the point I'm like a snail. I've got to formulate a plot or end up in jail or shot. Success is my only motherfucking option. Failure's not. Mama love you, but this trailer's got to go. I cannot grow old in Salem's lot. So here I go, it's my shot. Feet fail me not. This may be the only opportunity that I got. You better lose yourself in the music, the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music, the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better.
Oh, it's
Oh,
close.
jeez. Sniper, shit.
Dookie.
We're pinned down right here.
Oh, red smoke, red smoke. Right side, red smoke. Go, go, go. Oh, he's it, he's it. Oh, he's it. More guys pushing hard right.
Hey!
Hey, they're moving up on Hilltop. Hilltop! Shit, watch out.
How many mags you got left?
I only got one more mag up here for this one.
I got one more after this too. Hey, green tag going down the left side. He's not calling.
Shit, they got fucking snipers.
You ready? Let's go. Yeah. For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat or the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know. But no, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure he's clear.